Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today we start the reduction by using the metal hydrides like sodium cyanoborohydride, then diborane L and K selectride by using lithium borohydride, and lastly diisobutyl aluminum hydride. L selectride is the lithium trisecondary butyl lithium trisecondary butyl borohydride is the L selectride, and potassium trisecondary butyl borohydride is the K selectrides. Okay, let's see first the reductions by using sodium cyanoborohydride. Now, sodium cyanoborohydride are used for the reduction of aldehyde and ketone to corresponding primary and secondary alcohol. So, aldehyde RC double bond OH by using sodium cyanoborohydride get reduced to RCH2OH primary alcohol, and ketone RCOR dash get reduced to NaCnBH3 BH3. It gives RCOH R dash secondary alcohol, and aldehyde gives primary alcohol. So these reactions occur below the less than 4 pH. So all less than 4 pH means these reactions occur in acidic medium less than 4 pH of the reactions. Then the aldehyde gives primary alcohol and ketone gives the secondary alcohol. Now these sodium cyanoborohydride is also used for the reductions of imine to amine. So RCH double bond NR. So this type of imine get reduced to amine by using NaCnBH3. It get reduced to RCH2 NHR. Yeah, another example, RCH double bond NH. So this imine is also reduced by sodium cyanoborohydride to corresponding amine, means it forms RCH2 and H2. Amine formation takes place. So let's see the example of another example, RC double bond OH. There is NH3 ammonia, then pH 4.5 NaCnBH3. So with ammonia there is formation of imine of aldehyde and ammonia from the RCNH. So this imine is formed, and in presence of sodium cyanoborohydride, this imine get converted to amine, means RCH2 and H2 formation take place. CH2 and H3, then this type of imine formation take place. Then another example, RCH2 and H2 HCHO formaldehyde, again pH 4.5 NaCnBH3. So this primary amine that with formaldehyde there is formation of imine RCH2 and H double bond CH2. This imine is formed, and this imine again reduced by sodium cyanoborohydride to form the NaCnBH3. This reduces this to NHCH3, that is amine formation takes place. So let's see another example of reduction by using sodium cyanoborohydride. NH2 C double bond O CH3 so pH 4.5. Now in this pH there is a cyclization of this carbonic and there is formation of 6 member and CH3. So this imine formation takes place and this imine in presence of NaCN BH3 get reduced to cyclic amine CH3. So this cyclic amine formation takes place from the sodium cyanoborohydride. Let's see another example. N double bond O C double bond O CH2 CH2 C double bond O H. So dicarbonyl compounds in presence of NH3 and sodium cyanoborohydride MEOH as a solvent and pH 6 to 8. Then this is the aromatic ring. Then there is formation of imine get reduced to amine attack on this carbonyl group. Again there is formation of imine. So let's see one by one step. Very interesting reactions. C double bond O CH2 CH2. Then this carbonyl group C double bond NH ammonia forms the imine. Again this imine get reduced by sodium cyanoborohydride NaCN BH3. This forms the primary amine C double bond O CH2 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 and H2. Again this attack on this carbonyl group. There is formation of again imine and double bond this carbon 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this 5 member ring and again there is NaCN BH3 sodium cyanoborohydride reduces this imine to again amine. So N and H. So this 5 member ring formation of the compound nornicotine. Nornicotine formation takes place. So nornicotine compound is formed from this dicarbonyl compound. Imine formation, imine get reduced to amine, then again cyclization to form imine, again reduced to form the cyclic amine, and this compound is called nornicotine. Let's see another reducing agent, that is diborane. So diborane is selectively used for the reduction of carboxylic acid in presence of ester. So it is selective for the reductions of acid to primary alcohol. So diborane is selectively used for the reductions of carboxylic to acids. Diborane, that is B2S6. Borane exists in the dimer form, that is B2S6. Then diborane also reduces amide to amine, B2S6. Diborane also reduces amide to amine, and it is weakly reduces aldehyde and ketone and ester. So the diborane weakly reduces the aldehyde, ketone and esters, means it is selective reducing agent for the carboxylic acid to corresponding formation of primary alcohol. So let's see the example of diborane. BrCOOH NH2 OMe. This Br is present here, Br. So in presence of BH3 dimethyl sulfide, BMS, 0 to room temperature. So dimethyl sulfide is better for the dimethyl sulfide is better for the BH3 in THF. So BH3 in THF and BH3 in dimethyl sulfide is more stable. So this is more stable, more stability for this dimethyl sulfide borane compounds than the BH3 in THF. So it selectively reduces the carboxylic acid to form the OH, CH2OH. Here is Br, OMe, and here is NH2. So selectively reduces the carboxylic acid to alcohol. Then let's see another example of this type reduction of carboxylic acids. COOH, DMS, BH3 in DMS. Then THF is used as a solvent. BH3 as Me twice. THF as a solvent 0 degree Celsius. So S CH2, 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 CH2OH. So this alcohol is formed from the carboxylic acids. Now let's see the Corey-Buxley and Shibata reagent. That is, it is the reagent of borane. Corey-Buxley and Shibata reagent. So this Corey-Buxley and Shibata reagent is a chiral oxaborylene. A chiral oxaborylene is the CBS reagent, Corey-Buxley and Shibata reagent. Now it is prepared from borane and lactum, N C double bond O and BH3, borane and lactam of the type OH, PH, PH. Then this attack on boron. So there is OBH2, there is H. There is also OBH2, this attack on the another borane. Then there is O minus. So formation of cyclic imine PH, and here is OBH2. Then another borane attack on this imine HBHH, hydride transfer, N minus attack on this borane. So there is N minus, there is HH, OBHH, PH. Then there is attack of this O minus on this boron. So there is formation of NBHH minus pH. This type of CBS reagent. There is a minus charge on boron. CBS reagent is formed from the lactam and boron. Now, this selectively reduces the carbonyl group to form the enantiomers, and the one enantiomer formed is the major product by using this CBS reagent in presence of boron. So RS small group and RL large group in presence of N, pH, OH, H, lactam and boron BH3PHO. There is formation of CBS reagent, that is alkyl oxazoboridine CBS reagent is formed, and this selectively reduces this carbonyl group to alcohol. So this isomer is formed in a large excess. So there are two isomers. So where is this one is the major product. So aromatic ketone get also reduced by using S mole percent the CBS reagent, and there is a ligand and BH3 in THO. It gives AR OH. So this isomer is formed as the major product. Then another example, this epoxide also get reduced to form the alcohol. So R O R, yes, CH3 here, then BH3, NET twice, diethylamine boron, triethylamine boron in lithium perchlorate, there is RCOH CH3. So this type of alcohol is formed. If there is R group, R dash, then there is R dash. So such type of alcohol is formed from the boron. Now let's see the hydroboration reactions. So hydroboration followed by oxidation. So alkene get converted to alcohol in presence of hydroboration followed by oxidation. So let's see the hydroboration oxidation reactions. So in presence of BH3 followed by H2O2 in presence of NaOH. So first step is hydroboration and followed by oxidation. So this reaction is called hydroboration oxidation reaction, and selectively the less substituted alcohol is obtained as a major product. Means the product is anti-Markovnikov product obtained from the overall reaction is hydration reactions. The reaction is hydroboration followed by oxidation. Overall is hydration, addition of water molecules. The product obtained is anti-Markovnikov product, but the mechanism follows the Markovnikov mechanisms. Okay. Then another examples, the terminal alkyne by using boron BH3 followed by oxidation, hydroboration followed by oxidation NaOH H2O2 get converted to aldehyde. Get converted to aldehyde, and the reaction is stereospecific reactions, that is H and OH on the same site. H and OH group present on the same site. That is stereospecific reactions. The hydroxyl group and hydrogen present on the same site. Let's see the example. Reaction is stereospecific. Okay, this is the example in which addition of first BH3 hydroboration followed by H2O2 NaOH. Hydroboration followed by oxidation. It selectively gives CH3 OH, and here is H. H and OH present on the same site. That is stereospecific reactions take place in presence of hydroboration followed by oxidation. So let's see the mechanism of these reactions, how the mechanism takes place. BH2. So across the double bond addition of boron takes place. So hydride attack on less number of hydrogen carbon and boron attack on this. So there is formation of HBH2 CH3. So this product is obtained. Now O minus OH attack on boron. So there is BHH minus OH. So NaOH abstractly proton from hydrogen peroxide, there is formation of O minus. O minus attack on this boron. Now here is CH3. We can write here this as downside CH3. This attack on this position. So there is formation of OBH2. So this attack from this here, there is breaking of this bond, and there is removal of OH minus is get removed. So OH, we can say migration of this group on oxygen. This bond is migrated and OH get eliminated. This product is formed, and which on again there is CH3. So hydrogen and this OBH2 remain on the same site, and then hydrolysis by OH minus. The OH minus attack on this boron, O minus. So OH, H, this CH3, and this is CH3. These are the trans. So this is trans. So we write here this as a below and this as a upside. As it is present upside, this present on the below side. So this group present on the below side. Okay. So OH and H remain on the same side. The reaction is stereospecific. Okay, we will stop here. Let's see the next reducing agent, that is L selectride and K selectride, in the next video. Okay, thank you.